In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome proxy settings. Before we dive in, here's the key idea that trips people up. Google Chrome doesn't have its own proxy settings menu. Instead, it relies entirely on your Windows network proxy settings. That means when you change the proxy in Windows, Chrome follows those settings automatically. Everything you'll do here works the same way on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're already in Chrome and want the quickest path, start by opening Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings. In the left panel, select System and click Open your computer's proxy settings. This jumps you straight to the Windows proxy panel, no hunting around required. You can also get there directly through Windows. Press the Windows key and the letter I together to open the Settings app. Choose Network and Internet, then click Proxy. You'll land on the same proxy page you'd reach from Chrome. On this screen, you'll see two main ways to set up a proxy. First, automatic proxy setup, which is common in schools and workplaces. If your network uses automatic detection, turn on automatically detect settings. If your IT team provided a setup script, sometimes called a pack URL, choose the option to use a setup script and enter that address exactly as given. Don't guess the URL. If you're unsure, check with your network administrator or service provider so you don't break your connection. Second, manual proxy setup for custom configurations. Turn on Use a proxy server. Enter the proxy address, which can be an IP or a server name, and the port, such as 8080, if that's what you were told to use. When you're done, click Save. Accuracy matters here. A single typo in the address or port can stop websites from loading. Once you've configured either automatic or manual settings, you're done. Chrome will use this proxy automatically because it inherits whatever Windows is set to. If pages stop loading, double-check the details you entered, or revert to the previous setting your network requires. Remember, proxy settings affect all Internet apps on your computer, not just Chrome. On some managed networks, your organization may enforce a proxy and prevent you from changing these options. That's all there is to it. Use the shortcut from Chrome if you're already browsing, or open Windows settings directly. Both routes end up in the same place. Set automatic detection or a pack script if your network provides one, or enter the address and port for a manual setup, save, and Chrome will route through that proxy automatically.